Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare numbers. So for this problem here we have the numbers 1 and 4 and we have to compare and see which one is smaller. So one way we can do that is to basically write these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in sequence, and this is how we would write it out. Left to right, correct? Left to right. And notice that starting from here, the numbers go up. They go up by 1 in this case. So they go up as you go this way. So this way, the numbers get higher. The numbers get higher as you go that way. The numbers get lower as you go to the left. So we want to know which number is smaller. Well, if this way is higher, and if this way is smaller or lower, either way, then you have to say that 1 is lower or smaller than 4. And that kind of makes sense, right? 1 of something is fewer than 4 of something. So here, to choose the right answer, we say the number 1 is smaller. So now they want us to write a statement with these symbols, are called inequalities. So let's see. So we have the number 1 down here, and we have the number 4 here. And they give us the option to choose which inequality to use. Inequality means the numbers are not equal. One is bigger than the other. That's what that means. Inequality means one is bigger than the other, and there are other possibilities which we won't get to right now, but for this problem here, one is bigger than the other. So how do we know which one to use? Well, when you look at this from left to right, you have to ask yourself and say, 1 is what? 1 is what compared to 4? Is it bigger? Is it bigger than 4? Or is it less than 4? It's less than 4, right? It's less than 4. So 1 is less than 4. This is the symbol you use when this number on the left is less than the number on the right. One way you can think about it is, you see the point here in this arrowhead that points to the left, this pointer, the pointer points to the smaller number always. The wider part, the big part, points to the bigger number. So this is how you would write that. So let's choose that. Okay, so let's erase this and try a new one. So now we have 7 is what compared to 5? And our choices are less than or greater than. Remember, when the numbers go that way, let's see, there we go. When they go that way, they get bigger. When the numbers go that way, they get smaller. Is 7 bigger than 5? That's what we're asking. Is 7 bigger than 5? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. So is it this one or is it this one? Well, remember that part that I mentioned about the pointer points to the smaller number, and the wider part points to the bigger number. So let's look at the pointer. Let's choose this one here and see if it makes sense. Well, the pointer points to the smaller number, and we know 5 is smaller than 7, so yes, yes, that's how you would write it. And you would say this as 7 is greater than 5. So if the arrowhead goes to the right, it's greater than. If the arrowhead goes to the left, it's less than. So for this one, it's going to be greater than. Okay, we have one more to do here. We have 0 and 5. So what goes in between these two? Let's answer the question. Is 0 less than 5? Yeah, no doubt. 0 is less than 5. So what is the symbol for less than? Is it that one or that one? It's that one. Because remember, the pointer points to the smaller number. 0 is less than 5. So the arrowhead points to the left. So here we got to type in the left arrow. So shift, comma, which will give you the arrow. And there it is. So that's how you perform comparisons. If you like my content, check the like button and also post your comments. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.